To set up LDAP on your DW Spectrum system, you're going to System Administration, you're going to go back into Users, and you're going to go to LDAP Settings. And what the LDAP settings are going to do is it's going to ask for the server where your host LDAP information is served, the admin, DM, and password, and then it's going to search across and see that LDAP setting, and it's going to look for those settings and allow you to transfer over your DW Spectrum login information and adapt it to your LDAP settings. We're not currently connected to an LDAP server, so I can't demonstrate that. This is an advanced feature. Most network administrators are familiar with LDAP, and it is quite simple to set up here. Again, in the user settings, click LDAP. If we were connected to an LDAP server, it would see it and recognize it, and you could fetch the users from LDAP, and it would integrate the two databases together. That is where you find and set up LDAP settings.